First step, open the water supply and then switch on the main power followed by the main switch at the control panel. Switch on the refrigerant compressor.
Open the expansion valve by turning it to the left. And then adjust it until the water flow rate reach 40 LPM.
Allow the system to run for about 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes, record the cooling water outlet temperature, which is at the number 6. For the cooling water inlet temperature, switch it to number 5. And record the data that is needed on the table.
Repeat the process by turning the expansion valve to the right to increase the temperature by 3 degrees Celsius, and make sure the input is at 6.
Wait for 15 minutes and repeat the process again. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.